have the big nose. Like for example over here, on your left. See my green light? Just above my green light. Lynn, over this side. You want to see the big male?
Oh, on my right.
Yeah.
No, I don't see.
See my green light? Find my green light.
Oh, on that
Yeah.
tree. Gotcha.
Just above my green light.
Oh, yeah.
So, what are they again?
Bilin!
Yes, the women have the kind of pointy noses,
Yeah,
and the males have the big round.
have this big
Yeah.
pendulous nose. See, this is two different family over here.
They're the proboscis monkeys.
The one with the big nose, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting, you're looking at it. Got the red top and the...
These two family, the big male will look after their family. You want to make sure that the other male don't want to attract his female.
So is his family in both trees, or that's his family and that's a different
That's
family?
the other family, different family.
Okay. Baby up top there.
You can tell that this family keep on going to the same tree by looking at the branch or by looking at the leaves. The tree is almost out of leaves. They also use the leaves as their dinner and also as breakfast when they start to wake up.
So then they'll have to move to another tree sometime.